Good afternoon, dear students. In this video session, we will see how to read chapter 8 Climate and Seasons in India. You will learn climate and seasons. Seasons in India. Climate and seasons. Grandma, the climate is very hot today. You mean the weather? Chini, it is sunny and hot winds are blowing. You better stay indoors today. Weathers tells us about the condition of sunshine, rain, wind, and temperature in a place at a specific point of time. Climate defines the weather of a place over a long period of time. For example, when we say that it is cold in the Himalayas and humid in the coastal plain, we are actually talking about the climate of these places. Climate is the weather condition of a place for over 30 years. For example, a desert has dry climate. It is because the desert area receives very little or no rainfall for a long period of time. The climate of a place is affected by the kind of temperature it has and the amount of rainfall it receives. Places near the sea have a moderate type of climate. The mountains are cooler while the plains are warmer. The desert areas are hot and dry. We know that different parts of India have different physical features. The climate changes as we move from one kind of landform to another. The climate of a place also depends upon factors such as the direction of the wind at a particular time of the year and the distance of the place from the equator. A year is divided into seasons. Seasons are caused by the earth's revolution around the sun. Seasons depend upon the earth's distance from the sun. The three main seasons in India are summer monsoon and winter. There is a very short period of autumn and spring. Seasons in India. The summer season starts somewhere in mid March and lasts till mid June. During this season, temperature is high and the climate is very hot. In summer, the days are longer than nights. In India, most of the places experience hot summers except for regions that lie in the hills and mountains. At many places, the temperature rises above 45 degrees centigrade. In the northern plains, hot and dry winds called lu blow during the day. In the western desert, there are dust storms. The southern part of India is comparatively less hot and moderate as it is surrounded by the sea on three sides. The southern plateau region experiences very hot summers. The northern mountains remain cool and pleasant. Some of the hottest places in India are Churu and Bikaner in Rajasthan. During summer, we wear cool cotton cloths. We eat fruits such as watermelon, cherries, grapes, lychees, and mangoes to eat relief from the summer heat. The rainy season or monsoon starts in India in the month of June and ends sometime in this September. Monsoon winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. The winds carry moisture and form clouds that give us rain. Different parts of India experience rainfall during the monsoons. In some places, rainfall occurs till late November. The amount of rainfall varies from one region to another. While Meghalaya is one of the wettest places on the earth, wettest, wettest place on the earth, some parts of Rajasthan receive very little or no rainfall at all. Very heavy rainfall may cause floods, while poor rainfall may cause drought. The first state in India to receive monsoon rainfall is Kerala. The eastern parts of India experience heavy rainfall. Agriculture in India mostly depends on the rainfall from the monsoons. We use raincoats and umbrellas while going out in monsoons. The winter season starts in India in the month of November and continues till the end of February. In most parts of the country, December and January are the coldest months of the year. The days are short and the nights are long. The northern mountains and the northern plains are extremely cold. Some parts of the northern mountains receive snowfall. There is dense fog and frost in the northern plains. The weather is cold and dry with temperature dipping below 15 degrees centigrade and 8 times as low as 0 degree centigrade. Dras in Ladakh is the coldest place in India. During winter, the temperature at Dras drops to minus 40 degrees centigrade, minus 40 degrees centigrade. Minus 40 degrees centigrade. We wear woolen cloths such as jackets, sweaters, scarves, shawls, caps, and gloves to keep ourselves warm. In winter, people like to drink hot soup, tea, and coffee and enjoy eating gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, pakoras, and parathas. The coastal plain and the southern parts of India have a pleasant winter. Dear students, this is a reading of chapter 8. I hope it helped to you reading at your home. Keep practicing about reading it. Okay, thanks for watching.